Whoa. I've been on my grind, I've been on my grind. Whoa. I've been on my grind, I've been on my grind. I've been on my grind, I've been on my grind. I've been on my grind, I've been on my grind. I've been on my grind, I've been on my grind. I've been on my grind, I've been on my grind. I'm running the book, I'ma swear I'm a dog. These bitches, they want me on leash. Get in the info, my gleam. Real boy, they loving the gleam. Things that they never could see. I push and they never could be. They ain't nothing in between. They don't let the money just come in between.
Welcome back, guys, to Slipstream TV. This is Randy speaking, and behind me I have a 2010 Nissan 370z. First things first, those of you that liked, comment, and shared my last video, I just want to say thank you. Those of you that subscribed, I want to say thank you. If you haven't subscribed yet, do so now, because we're going to have some crazy cars coming to the channel pretty soon. You're going to want to miss that, so stay tuned. Now, this is going to be a 2010 Nissan 370z review. I'm going to give you guys a brief history of the Z car lineup. The first car that came out was in 1969. It was called the Datsun 240Z. What replaced that was the 300ZX that came out in 1980. After that, in 2003, the 350Z came out. And then the latest, in 2009, the 370Z came out. Let's get to the design of this car. All right, guys, let's start off with the front end of this car. If you come down here, you see this fang down here? It's not functional, but it gives it an aggressive look. Some people like them, some people don't. Personally, I like them. Let's come to the headlights real quick. They call these boomerang style headlights. Why? Well, if you look at it, it's designed to look like a boomerang. It gives it that sporty look. Now, if you come over here towards the hood, you got these two hood lines over here. It also gives it that sporty look. Now, the highlight of this car has got to be the fenders, because look how wide they are. This is a thick car. Alright, let's work our way towards the wheels. We had these beautiful 5-spoke raised forged wheels. These are from the same company that makes the Nissan GTR wheels. So if it's good for the GTR, it's gonna be good for the Z. We also have these Attribution brakes. These bite hard, these are strong. I love these brakes right here. Now let's work our way towards the side. We got this Nissan Z badging over here on the side. Very nice detail. Got this mirror right here, is dual tone, pearl white and black at the bottom. We have another fang down there by the side skirt. And if you run the camera all the way down here, you can kind of see the curvature of this car. I love the design. It gives it that eggshell type of shape, and it's a beautiful car to look at. Let's work our way towards the back, shall we? Now, at the back end of this car, we have these taillights over here. Boomerang style taillights as well to match with the headlights I showed you earlier. Over here we got the Nissan 370Z badging, along with the Nissan badge as well. Now, a personal touch of mine, one of the few mods that I've done to this car is this exhaust right here. It's an AAM short tails. Big difference in exhaust note. Alright. For the price, it was worth it. Now down here, I got a fog light as well installed from JDM Toy. Shout out to JDM Toy. Now you guys seen the wheels, you seen the Attribution brakes, you seen the fangs, you seen how wide this car is, you seen the designs. Let's see how the interior looks like. All right. Oh, damn. All right, guys, we're in the inside now. So come inside. I'm gonna show you what's up with this interior. If you come over here, we got the steering wheel. 10-2 notches feel good. Nicely designed. You got the Z badging over here. Still got the Nissan badge, so I like that little detail. I do kind of wish it was a flat bottom steering wheel, just to make it that much sportier, but I like the way it's designed. Also, I like the fact that they put the rev counter right in the middle of the dashboard. And you got your speedometer over here towards the right. One thing I do not like about this gauges right here is the auxiliary gauge right here that shows you how much gas you have. It's all lights. I would prefer a meter, but they put lights there instead. what happens is, like, if you're driving and it's very sunny, under the right sunlight conditions, you won't be able to look at the gauge right here, because the sunlight will blind the whole display, and now you're gonna know how much gas you have left. So yeah, I will have to knock it for that, but other than that, I like the display and everything. Pretty good. Now you got leather everywhere, or should I say pleather. It's not real leather. You got stitching here as well. Compared to the 350Z, the interior is a big upgrade. I had a 350Z as well, and everything in that car was plastic. The door plastic, everything was plastic. You would not have any type of leather in that car. Over here you got at least some type of leather. It's not real leather, but it's a step up above from the 350Z. You got your push to start button right here. I like these handles right here as well for the interior. Nicely designed. Pretty easy to get in and out. As far as storage space goes, we had 3 cup holders. There's one right here here in the middle, and then one right there towards the passenger side. We have cubbies everywhere. We have one right here as well. One back here, you can open up. It's like a little shelving area. This right here, this thing back here. And then this being a 2-seater, you won't have back seats. So when you look in the back, all you have is a trunk. One detail I do like about this interior is this bar right here, made from steel. Is it steel? Maybe aluminum, I'm not sure. But this is for added stiffness for the handling. I'm not sure how true that is, but I do like the fact that it's there. Now you've seen the exterior, you've seen the interior. Let's see the performance. Let's fire it up. Now, driving in this car, you know, it's pretty comfortable. You do feel a lot of the road though. The suspension is pretty stiff. As you can see here, over the railroad tracks, feels like an earthquake. So this car has 333 horsepower. A lot of people think that it has 370 horsepower due to the name of the car, but the name of the car is coming from the displacement of the engine, which is actually 3.7 liters. This car has a 6-speed transmission. It's very fun to drive, especially in this day of age where everyone has an automatic transmission. It feels nice and refreshing to have a manual transmission. And it doesn't really feel like work. I drive this car every day, and I don't even think about me changing gears. It just comes natural. Go ahead, give it a little rip. It's amazing. I love how the exhaust sounds as well. This car is a blast to drive. Very easy car to drive. Very fun as well. I'm gonna drive some more and give you guys my final thoughts on this car. So I'll see you guys in a bit. One word I could describe this car, I say fun. For the performance it has, the 6-speed transmission, 333 horsepower, 2 seats, stylish, can't beat that. This car is very fun to drive. I love this car so much. I beat this car every day of its life, and it still doesn't even flinch. All right, never gave me any problems. The build quality of this car is amazing. So I just want to say well done, Nissan. All right, guys, if you like what you see here, like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you haven't done so yet, subscribe now. We get more crazy cars coming to the channel very soon. You don't want to miss on that, all right? So stay tuned. And thank you for watching. We're here to answer the question. What question are we answering?
Exactly.
This it has for the horsepower, for the price. Damn, guys. Now I'm gonna give you the reason. Hold on, ruining my
That bitch on me, Jody know he really got it. She know how to act, she nasty. That bitch really question never answer. She know Jody always fucking mad. She know Jody, that boy fucking mad. Yeah. Down for one nigga if you ask me.